And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete all WhatsApp messages permanently. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to delete all WhatsApp messages, you can simply clear all chats, which removes the messages from your device but not necessarily from the other person's device or from backups. You can also delete individual messages or clear an entire chat to remove the messages from your device. So for this, simply tap open your WhatsApp and tap on the three dots line and go to settings. Once you're in the settings, you need to simply scroll down below and find the option called chats. Simply tap on chats and there you can simply scroll down. So once you scroll down and go to the end of the screen, you can see an option called chat history. Simply tap on it and there you can find four options. So there you can find an option called delete all chats. So simply once you tap on it, you will be able to confirm that you want to delete all chats or not, and by doing this you can delete all WhatsApp messages permanently. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.